don't be scared of those clunking noises. Let me show you how easy it is to fix them. Whether you drive a car or truck on pavement, dirt roads, many miles or few miles, eventually the front end parts will wear out and need to be replaced. They do give you signs of this actually, and whether it's creaking, clunking, thumping, or squeaking over bumps or around turns, if you hear it, something's wrong. The best thing to start with is a visual inspection so that anything that is physically broken you can see and, well, replace. However, some things can be tricky because they are hidden, and you might need something to pry on said item with or pull. That is definitely where our clunking noise is coming from. For us, it ended up just being a sway bar link, so in order to save myself time and money, I went to One Auto, got myself a kit of 2 sway bar links so I can do both sides at the same time, and I recommend you do the same thing because you'll definitely find the parts or even the kits you need to fix your car. In order for me to demonstrate my point in how easy and quick it can be to replace the sway bar links and get rid of that annoying clunking noise, I'm going to do it right here with no cuts on the ground with jack and jack stands. I will speed up the footage, but let's get the timer going right now. All right, that's done, and honestly, wasn't too bad even with the fight because I did have to heat up the mounting nuts. They were stuck on there. Was not expecting it, to be honest, but still well worth it. Now you take this time and almost double it because this is just one side, and this entire time does include jacking up the car and then putting it back down at the end. So you would almost double it to do both sides, and in my opinion, it is well worth it. All right, here we go. Same bump as before. Let's see. Completely quiet. That's awesome. I find it very satisfying when I fix a car that had a noise and now it's completely quiet. No more clunking noises. I'm happy.